There she is.
Look at the elevator, you can see it
Gringo.
from the outside. These fountains are pretty cool.
Yeah. They're really, really cool. We are here inside the Atlantis in line waiting to check in. And as soon as you come in, you get the bathroom with a phone in case you gotta call somebody. It's your pretty standard room, bathroom. We did get upgraded to a luxury double queen room because our king bed room was not clean yet, or there weren't any available. What I like, they have a scale in case you want to weigh yourself. So this is our quarto. Got a pretty cool view. Yep. Got Peppermill, downtown, GSR. One thing we like about this fridge is it's made for those who bring their own bottles. Shout out to The Rock and his Terramana tequila. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Salud. So the good thing about this casino hotel is that it has different elevators, and this one's got a nice little view. Just walking around the casino area. We're gonna go and get a card for this casino because they give us $15 free play. So we're gonna go look for that and check that out. So over here in Reno, South Virginia Street, we got a pedal car. That's pretty cool. I've never seen one of those before. It's a party. They got music going on. They're all pedaling. It's a good workout. We got El Dorado, Circus Circus, Silver Legacy. There is the convention center. There's the AAA baseball stadium in the back.
It's called the Aces.
The Aces, yeah. The Reno Aces. It's actually behind the Harris.
Yeah, there's Las Vegas.
So
Aces
we'll drive down that way to show you guys. See,
there's
I don't.
A stupid creepy clown.
But this clown, is it the same as the Vegas clown? I don't think so. I think the Vegas clown is like creepier.
I don't know, it's creepy. They creep me out.
So what's older, Reno or Vegas? You don't know what's older?
Vegas is older.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because of the railroad people, remember?
Mm-hmm.
This one came out a little later.
We learned that when we went to the Boneyard in Vegas. So that was cool. The sign Boneyard. The Neon Museum. We came to check out Circus Circus. See what's open. Got the tigers greeting you. So one thing I did notice when I looked online was there a lot of beverage and a lot of food places in the food court are closed. The Habit is closed. The Panda Express is closed. The yogurt place is open, and so is the pizza place. So something that was really, really creepy was parking in the Circus Circus parking garage. Not all the lights were on, and it was like really scary movie status. Yeah. So, and even here, like all the lights aren't on, so it's kind of, I don't know, it feels weird. But it is what it is for now, because not everything's open. Kiko looks happy.
Talk about this fucking pizza on the regular.
Look at that. This pizza is our most favorite pizza, mouth-watering pizza, and we literally talk about this damn pizza all the time. We compare all the other pizzas that we have and have eaten and eat to this pizza all the time because it's that good. It is that good. My mouth is watering right now talking to you guys about this pizza. Seeing all these places closed when not too long ago, a few months back, everything was popping. And now everything is closed. Even these drinks, all the bars, closed. Which really, really sucks because we brought ours that we had in February ready to go. We're gonna enter the El Dorado. They finally finished restoring the fountains, all restored. And they got it all open. And they finished it all the way. Looks nice. So we never walked over this way before to see the showroom. And who do we see? But our favorite Fluffy next to my favorite, Carrie Underwood. Holy Jesus, it's freezing. It's very, very windy. Look at that. Aww. R.I.P. Harris.
R.I.P. Ricky.
Woo! That sucks, dude. It's all boarded up. Fenced. Got the elephants on the other side. We had the tigers on one side, one entrance. And the elephants on the other. So we finally left Circus area and it's starting to snow. So it is 41 degrees. It's super, super windy. And
super windy.
Yeah.
So it feels colder than it
actually is. So we normally walk all of this, but since it was so windy, we literally just came out, took a picture with the sign, and went right back in. So we're heading back to the Atlantis and gonna hang out over there. So we are in the room. You can see the snow in the lights, yeah. A little bit.
So we decided to come back to the
hotel, we're in the room and decided to enjoy a shot of teremana.
Warm up a little bit.
To warm up. So, salud. And now,
the actual drinks.
The actual drinks.
That was just a warm up. 2
shots of teremana with squirt. Our friends know about this stuff. Cheers. Salud. So went down to go play for a little bit, came back up to the room, and there's snow on the ground. Good morning, coming to you from the Toucan Charlie's Bar and Grill Buffet here at the Atlantis Hotel and Casino. So our first buffet since this whole COVID situation, and this is what they gave us. So they do limit you to 2 hours per party. Notice that there's no plates out. The waiter told us that the chef will give us the plates. And walking in, you know, everything looked really good. So we'll see what happens. So they do have the social distancing stickers on the floor. It's like a one-way kind of thing. They have little cutoffs where you can go and you order your food and they serve you what you want. So I asked for a mimosa. However, I asked him for champagne and juice separated because I don't like the traditional. The traditional mimosa is champagne with a splash of orange juice. I don't like that. I like it more like half and half. So I mixed my own. So we got here as soon as it opened up at 9 o'clock. So obviously it's dead. Show you guys around. I got a piggy right there. I got Arturo making me an omelet. We have all the breakfast selections right here. And like I said, they serve you. So they have the glass in front of the food. You're not able to grab it. And you just tell them what you want. And then it's blocked off. You can't go anymore. So they got your jellos, pies, cakes, and your cotton candy. So that's it from the Atlantis in Reno for us. And Heading out to the car to get all the snow off of it before we head home. Look at all the snow. I was gonna say ice. Look at all the snow. What do you say, Kiko?
No, not yellow. Yellow and snow? No go.
We should draw like a little. Leave the top. Oh yeah. We're using our Monarch Rewards cards because yeah, we're not gonna be playing here anymore. It wasn't the greatest experience, and we're not big gamblers. And we're off. I love seeing the plants with the fresh powder on it. I want to see if I can record the snow coming off.
I wonder if I stop hard enough.
I don't know.
Sheet off. Yes, dude, I told you.
You didn't tell me when you were gonna do it. Oh my god. Oh my god, talk about freaking whiplash. Jess got on 88. What, highway?
Nevada.
Yeah.
88.
And it's just, wow. It's pretty. And we're leaving Nevada for the second time today. And bye-bye. Oh, there it is. And we're gonna enter California in a bit. We had the, I don't want to say pleasure. What would you say, love?
Look, California. Right
There's
there.
California right there. We'll enter it in a bit. So we were gonna enter the mountains and we got turned around because we don't have chains and we don't have all-wheel drive. So went to the back of the market, or drove back to the market. They sold out in the morning, so had to make a detour and go buy chains. So now we get to install them. We got the chains on. And just in case you were wondering, it's a high fire danger today with all the snow. So, chains are required. The stop area that we got stopped at was moved over here to the middle of the mountain. Actually, I don't even know if we're in the middle or not.
I don't know.
But, yeah. They're stopping people, and if you don't have chains, they're turning you back. So that sucks. We just got the thumbs up because we have our chains on. They have a chain installer over here, and they're making people turn around if you don't have them on. So, note to self, if you are going to come to Reno, Tahoe, anywhere where it snows, make sure you have chains with you, just in case. You never know. You don't want to get
10%
turned back.
To 100%?
Yeah, we had 10% chance of snow. 10%.
It turned into 100%.
And it turned into a storm.
100%.
So, yeah, all right. We're going to continue on through the mountain. Coldest temperature so far, 17 degrees.
8,574.
8,574 feet elevation.
This might be the Carson Pass.
Yeah.
Maybe they were here or something.
Oh, we're entering El Dorado National
It's like
Park.
a monument right there, but I'm not stopping.
No. We're leaving. We gotta go. Yay, we're finally going downhill and we're at 16 degrees.
It's snowy.
We got a lake up ahead.
That red lake?
I don't know. Red Lake was back there.
It's all like this.
I don't know. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I don't know. It might be.
It's all around
What do you say? No? Can't It's really pretty.
Yeah, down the other way, but we've never seen this.
No. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful.
This is still 88, yeah.
Yeah. We're finally moving after a half hour. Getting stuck in the middle of the mountains. Yeah. This is a beautiful highway, but it sucks when it snows because then you get stuck behind the snow plow and all the traffic and having to be stopped, and yeah. These colors, wow. That's absolutely beautiful. It's purple.
Crazy.
Look at this. Jeez. Thanks so much for catching this vlog, you guys. We will catch you next time. But now we know not to take this highway again. Got a new low. 15 degrees. It's 5 o'clock.
Somewhere.
No, it's 5:01 here.